incorporating clear aligners into an existing practice, mixed and permanent dentition cases. A clinical experience Friday and Saturday, December 6th and 7th. Exclusive and limited to 35 attendees. Our upcoming meeting, Clearly Nathos, which incorporates clear aligners into an existing dental practice. And as all of you know, Lee is a pediatric dentist. These will be all new cases that we'll be showing. And I thought it would be interesting to ask Lee, as a very successful pediatric dentist who has incorporated orthodontics, both fixed appliances and clear aligners, both, into his existing practice, what you find appealing about doing orthodontics within your practice, Lee.
The iPhone, the way the selfie generation is taking over, that's just new in my career. And kids are always, snapping selfies all around and having thousands and thousands of pictures, except the ones that don't like the way their smile looks. And I've had parents, come in more often than we did, in the past, 5 to 10 years than we did the first 10 to 15 years because of the photos. The parents, they won't smile for pictures. They're always taking pictures. They're not happy. So they want them fixed. And also they want little smaller problems fixed that we would always want to wait on now, because once you have that close up with the phone, they see it and the kid sees it at this distance. So they're way more aware of it than anyone else.
Yeah, and if the patient wants it done, well, that means it's important. Now, if they don't want it done, that's a whole other issue. So what Lee and I have planned for December 6th and 7th, that's a Friday and Saturday. The hours are from 8 in the morning on Friday till 5 in the evening on Friday. And then Saturday, the hours are 8 in the morning until
noon.
We will be covering mixed dentition as well as permanent dentition, but be aware that the permanent dentition cases will be teenagers. We'll be talking about an update for expansion techniques, definitely quite controversial. If you have seen Kevin O'Brien's latest information about the Invisalign expansion system, he threw down on that pretty heavily. An update about asymmetries, treated both with fixed appliances as well as Invisalign. Lee has some very, very interesting things, don't you, Lee, about an update on Class 2 treatment?
Have some cool Class 2 cases, especially in teenagers. I think you'll find very interesting on a couple of different ways of fixing that. And also got a few tips and tricks for things that you look at and think, can you really do that with clear aligners? I'm going to show you, yes, you can.
Yeah, one of the things that we're real big on in Clearly Nathos is problem solving and troubleshooting. People like to call these challenges, and I call them problems. So it's problems, solutions, including updates on crowding, rotations. And these will be all new cases for those of you who have attended one of the Clearly Nathos meetings previously. You will not be seeing the same cases. And I assure you, you will find the information not only valuable, but very engaging and entertaining. Limited to 35 attendees. For additional information, contact nathosce@gmail.com.